Welcome back to Goodfellas Garage, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have another C8 2021 for your viewing pleasure, and I wanted to show you this car because I wanted to show you guys how these cars come off the assembly line, because this one still has all of its plastic and all of its wrappers on the inside, and I am a real sucker for that stuff. So let's get started. I personally get really excited about stuff like this. I start geeking out over all the plastics and wrappers inside the car. I have bought several new cars in my lifetime, and I always ask the dealer to leave that stuff on. Most of them don't, but there are a couple that did. For some reason, dealers like to remove that stuff. It says on the back, like, remove before blah, blah, blah. But to me, it's like if I'm buying a brand new car or a brand new phone or whatever, I want to be the one peeling that stuff off. I don't want somebody else to do it. We had a lot of these C8s already, and this is the only dealer that actually left the stuff inside. Every single one of them removed it. They wouldn't leave it in. So let me put the top down, and we can get a better look at this. This is a 3LT convertible with a Z51 package. I have a sticker there on the dash. We'll go over it in a second. And here's the other thing. If you watch my previous C8 videos, you know my opinion about the C8. And when this car came in yesterday, I looked at it and I was like, something is different. This car looks really, really good. I don't know if they're just growing on me or it's the color. And here's what's different about this car that is immediately apparent, and I think it looks a lot better than other color C8 Corvettes. But this thing has, this trim right here is body color, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful instead of that cheap black that they have. And this is now body color. I believe it's an option for 2021. You can have that in body color. And here's the most beautiful thing about this car is that these little grills here are also body color. And I think this makes a huge difference. For some reason, like I said, when this car came in yesterday, I was like, it looks a lot better than any other colors that we had. And you gotta admit, the white looks really good. The white with this tan looks really, really nice. And this one has, I think they're called the Trident wheels. They're much nicer than your base wheels. But man, oh man, I don't know. I'm not changing my opinion completely, but the white one looks really, really good. I really like this color, and for some reason it gives me the Lambo vibes. It's like it gives me like a Aventador. I don't know. It doesn't look like an Aventador, but I'm getting that vibe from it. But anyway, so let's check it out. So this is how they come from the factory. We haven't the dealer that we bought it from hasn't done anything. They haven't removed any of the stuff on the inside. The only thing they removed the stuff that was on the outside. But you have your plastic protective covers. It says dealer must remove cover. This protective cover contains a minimum of 25% recycled plastic. So you got all your stickers and stuff in here. This still has a sticker on it. And the floors have little protective mats. And I'll show you what's inside the trunk. We haven't opened anything up. There's a little tag in here that says, do not take this car through a car wash. I wonder why. It says tire chatter. When driving at slow speeds in very tight turns, the vehicle may have tire chatter, hop. This is normal, and the vehicle does not require service. Okay. Alrighty, so you got to see the owner's manual for car wash information. I will leave that back there. All right, what else do we have? So let's take a look at the window sticker. And of course, you got your manual here, all the stuff that you need to operate your C8. Oh, you got a little cloth to wipe your screen. So here's a sticker on this, and this is a highly optioned 3LT with a Z51 performance package, which is $59.95, and it has rear axle performance ratio, high performance tires, Z51 rear spoiler, electric limited slip diff, Z51 performance suspension, Z51 performance brakes, performance exhaust, heavy duty coil, cooling system, front lift, $2,000. And you operate the front lift. I think there's a button right there. You can operate the front lift. And what else does he have? Front lift, and it has memory with the front lift. Z51 performance suspension, mag ride, $1,800, and the total sticker on the car is $93,110. So a very highly optioned car, a very beautiful car. So again, all the plastics are still in here. Same thing with the passenger seat. I like, again, I'm not gonna remove any of this stuff. I'm gonna leave it for the new owner. And this car is brand new, obviously only has 9 miles on it. But I take pleasure in doing this stuff. I really like removing all the stuff from the car. It's part of the experience, at least to me. It's part of buying something new. So let's see what's in the trunk. 2 times. Alrighty. So we got floor mats. They're still wrapped. Still sealed in a bag. So that's your floor mats. We got, I haven't opened this. It's still sealed. I think this is a charger. I think this is, what is that? What does it say? Genuine, made in China. I think this is the Trickle Charger for the battery. We got, I have no idea what this is. A bag of plastic stuff with a bunch of bolts and screws. It's like vents or something. What does it say in here? That's interesting. Oh yeah, it's kind of like brake cooling and stuff like that. Accessory brake cooling kit. Oh wow, look at that. No idea they came like that. And then there's, this is your funnel for your gas. What is this? Let's see. Made in Mexico. I have no idea what this is. Genuine parts. Doesn't say what it is. There's some more stuff in here. And this is a net for your trunk. So that's what it comes with, brand new. And of course, obviously, you get 2 keys. You get the newer C8 key. Let's see what's in the front. I don't know if there's anything in the front. No? Come on. Oh, there you go. Yeah, there's nothing here. It's pretty empty. So, that's your kind of a look at a car that still has all of its wrappers and all of its stuff still on it. And this is the first one we got like this. Like I said, most dealers will not do it. This dealer was pretty cool. We bought it in Georgia. And they're like, hey, you want us to leave the stuff? We'll leave the stuff. You know, it's not an issue. But most other dealers refuse to do that. I don't know why. And I like to receive cars like this. I mean, it's a brand new car. I want all the stuff that it comes with. I want it here. So that's your look at how the C8 comes off when you buy it brand new. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace. As I was filming this video, a black one just popped in. Another 2021. But a nice farewell. Let's do a cold start, shall we?